In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fallout 4 not launching on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to fix Fallout 4 crashing or not launching or not working properly on PC. This is going to work regardless of which graphics card you have, and all that you have to do is first update the video drivers. So you will be able to update the graphics drivers for your GPU regardless of if you have an NVIDIA or AMD GPU. If you don't know which model of GPU you have, all that you have to do to check is right-click the Windows icon, go over to Device Manager, and in here, under the Display Adapters category, you will see the model of a specific GPU that you have. You can try right-clicking this and going over to Update Driver, let Windows search automatically for drivers, but I do not recommend this option. I recommend that you note down the model. So let's say, for example, you have an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series. So all that you have to do is go over to the website, choose the product type, the series, the product here, and then operating system and download the drivers. The same thing will be done for AMD. So in my example, it would be a graphics card, RX 7000, and then RX 7900 XTX, and you can download the drivers. After you update the video drivers, I recommend that you open up Steam. Now, if you are running Fallout 4 through Steam, what I recommend is that you right-click the game, go over to Properties, Installed Files, and then verify the integrity of the game files. You will notice that I am doing this process with Fallout 3 as an example, but don't worry, just repeat my steps with Fallout 4. When you verify the integrity of the game files, you will be able to check for any corrupted or missing files, and they are going to be re-downloaded by Steam if necessary. Now, the last thing that I recommend is that you disable God Rays and Weapon Debris. So when you open the game, you will have a specific menu where you can change some graphical settings in the advanced video options. All that you have to do in there is disable Weapon Debris and God Rays and see if this works. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fallout 4 not launching PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.